Howdy YouTube. Sorry about the glare. Whatever. It's just gonna be what it is. But so today I'm driving. I'm on Highway 70. I'm driving about an hour and a half away to go pick up a welding machine. I know. Why am I buying another Isuzu welding machine? I don't know. My wife asked me the same question. But beside the point, I'm going, okay? But yeah, so I looked it up a little bit. It's a Whisperweld. I wanted one at one point, but it's supposed to be pretty good welders. They have a Isuzu. Is that a 3-cylinder Isuzu, 4-cylinder Isuzu engine in it, or something of that nature? So, diesel, but it needs starter, and yeah, I think that's about all I know about it for sure. Places like the guy that I buy from say he's just retiring out of welding. He's been out of welding for a few years now. So we using it as a generator, and then just didn't really need that big a generator, bought him a small one that does about the same for what he needs. So that's that. I'm going out there to go pick it up. I got him in the Chevrolet got my dad's trailer. Ain't got my trailer finished yet, but it's a work in progress. Time and money, all you can do. So we're gonna go pick that up. I'll show you it more once I get down there and get it loaded up. So yeah, it says it needs a new starter. We'll find that out. I'm pretty sure he's probably right about it, but we'll see what it looks like and see what we can do. But that's about it. It's a 300 amp machine, which is nice. I'm hoping that I got the manual. I just haven't got a chance to look at it. I don't know how heavy it is. It's not too heavy, not too and not too big. We can put it in the back of this machine. If not, it's gonna be a backup / secondary welding machine. We'll wait and see what we can find. First we gotta get the money and then go from there. But hopefully, I don't know if anybody y'all have any experience with these machines, but I'll put some more pictures and stuff and video once I get there and get it figured out. But yeah, so we're just driving. We got, I think, another 40 minutes, something like that. But I'll bring you all back once we get over there. YouTube, I picked it up, got loaded up. We can get back on the road and head on to home. Hopefully get back at a decent time. I probably won't get too much footage of it tonight. Probably won't be there tomorrow before I get too much going on. But yeah, I'll show you all once I get it back home and get some stuff figured out on it. But anyway, see if y'all can. I don't know if y'all can. There it is, right back there. It's ugly, but hopefully we can get it going and get it running and get it making money. But I'll bring y'all back once I get some more information. But I'm just gonna head on home and go from there. What's going on, YouTube? So today, so now I'm gonna show you the welder that I just picked up. Well, I picked it up like 2 days ago. But I'm finally getting around to actually filming this part of it. Every day I got back, it was pitch dark out. So yeah, I'm gonna get it unloaded and hopefully see if I can get it cranked up. But I'll turn you around and show y'all what I got. Alrighty, YouTube. So this here is a Whisperweld, Multiquip Whisperweld. 300. It's a 300 amp machine that is powered by a Isuzu Diesel, which I know the model, I just can't think of it right now. But I'll be sure to let y'all know. That's what I'm starting. But yeah, so this is what we got. Nothing too special up in here. Apparently the starter is bad, is what the guy told me. So we's gonna find out about that. And yeah, so hopefully we can get one today. Don't know if that's the same style as what I bought. We'll find out though. But yeah, I'm gonna set the tripod up and watch y'all can watch me get this off the trail, and we can go from there. Relatively uneventful, which is a good thing. Alright, now I guess I'm gonna get a battery hooked up and see what's up. So I tried clicking it and it just, I tried starting it and just clicks, like the guy said. So I think it's stalled them and yank it off and see what happens. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that sure got hot. Let me go grab the new starter and see. Alright, now let's see if she'll crank over. I have a positive battery cable hooked up to my phone. Alright, so now we're gonna see what's in the fuel tank, and then see what we got for check the oil and all that. Swap out the fuel filter, put some new fuel in it, get it primed, and try it out. Alright, bring it back to the side and show you. I just pulled the old filter out. Now I got new wicks I'm just gonna put in there. Figured we might as well. Is it necessary? Maybe, maybe not, but. YouTube. So, I made a little bit of a video of going to pick this up a little bit earlier, but this is, I've been messing with it all day. Finally got it working for the most part. So this here is a Multiquip Whisperweld is what they call it. Got a Isuzu Diesel. It's a 300 amp machine. Found it on Craigslist the other day, and then went out and got it. Not exactly what I was looking for completely, but I think it's gonna do the job. It's gonna be a great backup machine or second machine if needed. So I just got one today. I still gotta put some coolant in it. That's the only thing I don't have at the moment. But I had to put a new starter in it. The guy said when he was trying to prime it last time, he brought up the starter. So right now I'm gonna fire it up and let y'all see that it runs, I guess. It's not gonna start just because I say this. I need to get a new key thing. Let the glow plugs heat up a little bit. I think the more I want it, the better it's gonna get.
I'm guessing you're editing out some of it. What's his new name? Is Watermelon.
run it, the better off, the easier starting it will be. But yeah, I gotta get some more coolant in it. I gotta replace a couple hoses and stuff, but I didn't want to do any of that until I knew that it was gonna run. But yeah, so far pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with it. Probably tomorrow I'll get a little more into it, trying to play with it after try welding with it and stuff. But until then, I just wanted to show you all this little project I got. Hopefully be a new addition to the fleet, I guess you could say. But yeah, and obviously it's need paint. It really needs paint, but I'm gonna get it, put it through a little trial run first before I commit to painting it, just because I don't want to paint something just to let it blow up on me. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and talk to y'all later.